Hello students, hope you all are good and doing your
Today
work
we are going to
regularly. Discuss the topic things around us. In our daily life, we see a number of things that can be categorized in a different manner, like natural things and man-made things. Natural things are those that are not made by man, that we get from the nature, like sun, air, water, rocks, etc. While man-made things are those that can be made by humans, that can be made by us. Example, book, chair, etc. Natural things consist of both living as well as non-living things. Living things may be animals, maybe birds, maybe plants, or maybe humans also. Non-living things include sun, air, water. They all are given to us by the nature. Man-made things consists of various non-living things. No living thing can be made by man. Example, chair, car, clock. These things make our life easy as well as comfortable also. We can also classify things as living things and non-living things. Living things include humans, animals, plants, insects, birds, etc. Also, non-living things includes your books, your pencils, that the things that are made by man. Also, natural things like mountains, sun, river, water, etc. Let us discuss the few basic features that make a thing living. Living things grow, they need food and water, they can feel and they also react. They can move from one place to another or they can show movement by its own. They can breathe. They also reproduce themselves. First, all living things grow while non-living things do not grow. Have you ever seen your doll is increasing in size or your ball enlarging by itself? No, we never see because they are non-living objects. While living objects like an egg grows into a chick and then into a hen. A small baby grows into a big man or woman. A small kitten grows into a cat. A seed grows into a seedling and then to a plant. So all living things can grow with the time while non-living things do not grow. Second, all living things need food and water while non-living things do not. Plants prepare their own food from water, air and sunlight due to the presence of green color pigment in them, which is called as chlorophyll. This chlorophyll helps to trap the sunlight and which helps the plant to prepare their food. Animals, because they are not having this chlorophyll, so they are not able to prepare their food from sunlight, but they can get their food from plants and other animals to fulfill their nutritional requirements. Next is living things feel as well as they react. What happens when we touch a hot pan? We immediately prick our hand back. If you listen to a soft and sweet music, your feet automatically start tapping on the floor. You want to dance. What is this? This is a kind of feeling. And tapping or picking the hand back, this is a kind of reaction. All living things, they feel as well as they react. Humans and most of the animals, they can feel with the help of their sense organs, while insects like cockroaches and butterfly feel with the help of the antenna. Even plants also feel. If you touch the leaves of touch me not plant, its leaves automatically closes. This shows that plants also feel and react. All living things breathe to live. Animals like cats, dogs breathe through the lungs. Humans also breathe through the lungs. Insects like cockroaches, grasshoppers breathe through the air holes, while fishes are having a special organ that is gills for their breathing. Even, do you know, plants also breathe. Plants are having tiny holes on their leaves. These tiny holes are called as stomata. This stomata helps in breathing. Breathing means exchange of gases, taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. This helps our body to live. All living things move by their own. Animals move from one place to another for their food, for the shelter, or to protect themselves from their enemies. However, different animals move in a different ways. Animals like cheetah, like humans, cows, lions, etc., they walk with their legs. Insects and birds fly with the wings. Fishes, they can swim with their fins and tail. Also, plants shows the movement. They can't move from one place to another as they are fixed to the ground. But they show a little movement. Example, touch me not plant closes its leaves when we touch it. Sunflower turns towards the sun. Lotus flower opens in the morning and closes at night. Venus flytraps shuts down when some insect touches it. Lastly, all living things reproduce. Means all the living things, they can produce young ones of their own kind, and this process is to be called as reproduction. Insects, birds, and some other animals like snakes, crocodiles, frogs, etc. lays eggs from which their babies comes out, while animals like dogs, cats give birth to the young ones. Also, humans give birth to the young ones directly, but plants produce seeds. Either they can grow from seeds or from other parts of the plant like roots, stem, leaves, etc. So all living things reproduce by its own. But our doll, which is a non-living thing, it can never reproduce by its own. However, in contradiction to living things, non-living things do absolute opposite to the living things. Means they neither eat food nor drink water. They never grow in size, neither in shape nor in size. They can't breathe air in or out. They can't feel. If they can't feel, they can't react also. Non-living things cannot move by themselves. They cannot reproduce by giving birth to their babies. Now let us summarize. The things around us, we can classify them as living things as well as non-living things. Living things includes animals, plants, humans, birds, insects, etc. While non-living things includes both man-made as well as natural things. Man-made things like car, bus, your fan, books, pen, pencil, laptop, mobiles. Natural things include rock, soil, water, air, etc. Thanks.